kid got this up. Was on the phone.
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. So what are you doing? Are you filming? Yeah. Not even.
This is my grandmother.
Typical.
Okay.
Yes,
You know,
hi.
whatever. Oh, wait,
Look at your
hair.
With the hair getting
Wait.
trying to take me.
Oh, this is the car. Look at us. Look at us.
Oh, it's a good thing it was real hair on my head and it just
Oh, that
flew
would be
off.
terrible. Actually. Yeah, scoot over. Oh, wait a minute now. I'm sorry.
A little fancy. Oh, there it is. Oh.
Thank you so much.
You know what?
Seatbelt? I'm sorry. Oh, my butt. I just heard something. No seatbelt? No? Okay. Yep. Oh, tight.
Yes,
Yeah, we're going to eat in the grill. Hi.
Brooklyn. Are you gonna toast? We're gonna toast. Yes, hunty. Happy birthday.
I know.
Yes, of course. I don't really know how to do the camera all that well. Okay, let's try
And then you swallow.
And then you swallow.
Well, you go.
So yummy.
All right now. Jay, you like yours?
Go ahead and try it. You need to. Ready? Go. Keep going. She sucked.
I'm over here laughing. They're about to choke.
But then, Aniyah had a serious surgery face, so I'll let you know that
Yeah, flip. Clearly, I'm the winner. But yeah, everybody's getting dressed and we are chilling, you know. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. So we're working with, we have the these jeans are from Rule 21, R-U-E 21. You know, they were about $10, you know. Shops on the bargain, shops on the clearance rack, you know, and they're giving rock star vibes. You know, we got the rings on the side, very rock star, you know, fringes, you know. Okay, then we're gonna go up to the shirt. I'm giving you guys like a striped girls. It says girls. I got this from Forever 21. You know, can't go wrong with Forever 21. Giving you you guys striped vibes. You know, so I'm giving you like a rock star look. Fenty Beauty on the lips. You know, giving you guys a slick bun, a little messy slick bun vibes. You know, that's what I like. So yeah, you know, that is my outfit of the day. And yes, thank you.
So I'll pick you up.
Mila, say hi. Hi. Okay, grandma. She like, don't have me in it.
No, I'm not telling you.
Yes, baby.
If you don't cook, it's like, what am I gonna cook?
It's feeling better, baby. Yes. Thank you for asking. Oh, that's okay.
Yes, toast. Toast it up.
What's going on here?
The egg whites.
This is for Naya.
Oh, dang, it's here already? Oh, shoot.
She's ready.
Yes. Digging that. Oh, that looks delicious. She a little camera shy.
Yes,
We're not camera shy. You know. And my beautiful sister and my baby's here. And then my aunt is behind the camera. You know, yes.
there she go. There she go. There she go.
Oh, and she got her food.
Thank you. And our beautiful waitress.
Yes. Give them shoulders. So New York is a blast, and yeah, we are at a arts and crafts Earth Day shindig, and yeah, we're letting the kids have some fun. You know, I got my 7-year-old sister here, and yeah, we're with my cousins and my aunt and grandma, and we're chilling. And I got this wrapped around my neck, but yeah, so you know, we just chilling, you know, at downtown Brooklyn or whatever. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I gotta use the bathroom. I always gotta go to the bathroom. But yeah, my lips, they're kind of coming off, so I'm gonna reapply. But yeah, I don't know if anybody's in the stall. They probably think I'm crazy if they knew I was here recording. But yeah, guys. Say cheese.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And the next one.
Let me see what color I want. Do I have 10 minutes of vlog footage? I don't know. I'm talking like this because I'm downtown Brooklyn. I'm talking like this.
You're acting like people that be on Snapchat.
I'm talking like this because I'm in downtown Brooklyn, and you know, like whatever. Okay.
Reorder it.
Yes.
And then did you get a cup? Let's put that in there with it.
Okay,
Then you
perfect.
kinda have, this is a great way to try it, just to kind of see.
Okay. Thank you.
And use it for a week.
Okay.
I always recommend take a before picture, like no makeup, the same kind of light, and then you kind of see and the difference.
Okay.
See that?
All these prints are so pretty. And this lady makes them herself. I'm gonna get this one here. So here we are on Seamless, right?
They got a chicken.
You know, in Brooklyn, New York.
Brooklyn, Mr. Jump
and Milo wants milk. So we in Brooklyn, New York, right? And you know, we trying to figure out what we want to eat. And yeah, so we on Seamless or whatever. So we on Seamless, you know, and I see Kool-Aid on the menu for $2.
What kind of grape? Strawberry?
Wait a minute. No, they don't got the flavors.
Probably look great. They don't have it. They don't have it. Did you go on it?
Yo, you hold up. Choose a size. Okay, they gonna say for one. They gonna say choose a size, small or large.
Okay.
$2 or $4 for some Kool-Aid. Sis, I can buy a packet for $1.
Free water?
Crazy.
I wanted to see the flavors.
Me too.
No flavors. It's random.
Right.
It's a
So
mystery.
it's probably great.
You get a hot dog right now?
Why great, Grandma?
Because That's the saying that's what we.
They saying that black.
That's why I said we only eat grape.
Y'all said the black folks like grape Kool-Aid.
They only drink grape.
Oh goodness. This is me in New York City sleeping on the train because sleep is life and I don't lose sleep for anybody. Okay? Okay. I have more. This is also me sleeping on the train, you know, getting my rest. Getting my rest with the fresh beef and broccolis on. My pants might have been a little hot water, but that's okay. My cousin is clearly a hater. He see us getting our life while I'm sitting here reading a gossip magazine. Yo, what? It's just so crazy how time flies. Back to the MD today.